Hi class, in this video we will be reviewing your week 3 assignment, which is exercise 6.1. So let's go ahead and get into your assignment. You want to click on the green puzzle piece, which will open up the next screen that will have the blue hyperlink to open up your ebook. So let's click on that. This will open up your ebook to get your assignment started. Now in this assignment, it has the exercise embedded into your ebook. So you want to make sure that you read through this information first, your anesthesia coding. And then when you're ready to do the exercise, you want to click on the drop-down arrow here to open up the exercise. When you're ready to start, click on this blue link here, Start Assignment Now. Now, unfortunately, since it's embedded into your ebook, you cannot make this screen, your assessment screen, any larger than it is. So you'll have to just scroll up and down to see everything. So with this assessment, you are going to just be matching side to side. So you're going to want to match this puzzle piece with the matching puzzle piece on this side. And how you do that, you just click on one side and then click on the one you want to match it to. So for example, I'm just going to go down and click all of these to all go together, just as an example. And in this assignment, you have the Check My Work blue hyperlink. So what you can do is click on this blue hyperlink, and it will check to see if your lines are correct. In this example, they are all incorrect except for this one here. So when you have an incorrect match, all you need to do is click on the link that you want to correct and then click on a different one. So let's show, for example, I'm going to change those two around. Now I'm just going to check my work again because I want to make sure that they're all correct before I submit it. And one of them is correct. So you'll continue to do that until you have all green lines in here. Once you are ready to submit your assignment, you're going to click on this blue button here that says Submit Assignment for Grading. I hope you all enjoyed this assignment, and we'll see you next time.